guys, it's Beccaboo here. Welcome to my channel. I just refreshed my hair. Shit, what time is it? Oh, my mom's home. Alright, so this is the look I created for you guys today. If you want to see it, keep on watching. Belle! Alright guys, to start off this look, I'm taking the Kat Von D Muse liner pencil and I'm going into the inner part, and then I'm taking Smith's and I'm following that up. Okay, so next I went in with a Go-Go, and I definitely planned to put orange in this look, and I didn't end up using it. So you don't even have to use the orange one. And then I went in with Sexer. So you could have just went right into Sexer instead of doing the orange one. When I look back at this, I wish I put orange in this because I was trying to like go with my hair a little bit, but I totally forgot the orange. So then I'm just taking a Luxie dual fiber blending brush and I am smudging that into the skin, making sure there are no harsh edges. Now these act as a really great eyeshadow base, that's why I use them so much. I know I become a bit redundant sometimes, but you know, I like what I like and that's what it is. So just take my time, blend that out, and then I'm going to go into Roxy. And I'm going to put that in the outer V. And then I'm taking Satellite and I'm going right next to that. And then we're going to give them a blend. I'm just using the same brush and blending. These ones took a little bit more effort, I think because my concealer had already set down in place, but it's okay. Just take the time to do it and it'll work out. Okay, so then I set it with a little bit of powder. I like to use the NYX HG setting powder, pressed powder. I don't know if I included that clip. Nope. Okay, so now I'm going into the ACE Beauty Slice of Paradise palette, and I'm starting out with the shade Flamingo, that beautiful peach shade. And I'm placing that right there on the inner part, and then I'm going into, what is it? Rose Finch, and I'm going right next to it. See, what I should have done was orange there. So the peach into orange, into pink, into purple. Oh, well, it's okay. So we're just going in and blending. Fun stuff. And then I'm taking Honeyberry. I can't see from here. The purple, and I'm layering that right on top of where I placed Roxy Pencil. And then I'm picking up, I couldn't see what that was called. And on a big fluffy brush, this one is from SUVA. I love this brush. And I am just blending that out, making sure there are no harsh edges. And then I felt like I needed a different transition shade, so I'm going into the SUVA Beauty Rose Period palette, and I'm taking the shade Eden. That shade is so pretty. And then I'm taking that on a different blending brush, and I'm just going along all of the edges just to make sure that is nice and diffused. And then going in and adding more of that pink, making sure we're all nice and blended here. And I haven't sped up any of these clips, so that's why it seems like a little bit slow, but it's actually real time. Yeah. Now I'm going in with the P. Louise base, and I'm just cutting half of my crease. Well, I guess it ends up being like 3/4, I think. Yeah, we're going in and cutting the crease. I love this paintbrush for this. I definitely want to go get another one because I want to. Yeah, so just going in and cutting the crease like that. And then once I have the actual shape in the crease done, I'll switch to another brush just to blend it out and make sure the product isn't just sitting there. It's actually like blended into the skin kind of thing. Okay, so now we're going into the Ace Beauty Flare palette, and I'm taking the shade Sorbet. That color, I just want it forever in my life, all day, every day. It's so pretty. Okay, I am layering this on the inner half of the lid. And then I'm taking Bluebell from the Ace Slice of Paradise palette, and I'm going to place that right there in the middle of those two shades. Then I'll have to go back in between those two outer shades and make sure they're nice and blended together. Now I'm taking Lit's Black Magic Woman glitter with their adhesive, and I am drawing a little liner along my lash line. And the brush I'm using is the SUVA, is it the 620 brush? It's either the 620 or the 630 brush, but it looks like the 620 to me. Really great for fine details like this. So what I do is I dip my brush into the adhesive, and then I'm dipping it into the glitter, and it creates this nice glitter liner. And then I decided to pick up the Wet n Wild Jade Mega Glow palette, and I'm taking the lightest shimmery shade, and I'm placing this where the greenish yellow lime green meets the blue, because I didn't think it was blending together quite as well as I wanted it to. So I thought putting a shimmer there would help it transition, and I definitely think it did that. So then I'm going to zoom out and work on my face, because I do that thing now. I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation. This is shade 204. And I'm blending that into my skin with the e.l.f. sponge. This is really nice. I really like the sponge. And there's hair color on my neck, of course. So I guess this is my opportunity to like chat about stuff that isn't makeup. But I honestly can't think of anything right now. What is wrong with me? I usually have things to talk about. At least talk deliriously about. Now I can't think. Okay, so now I'm going in with the MAC Studio Fix Concealer and concealing. I really like this one. Look how bright it is. Usually I don't like to go this bright, I think, with my under eye concealer, but I really like this one, so it works. And then blending that in. Oh my god, what was I going to talk about? Totally can't even think. I don't know. Okay, tell me what kind of videos you guys want to see coming up. I need to film some like talking videos. They don't even have to be like makeup videos. Okay, so now I'm just setting my under eye with the Kat Von D Locket powder. Is that what it's called? Locket setting powder. Yeah, I need some video ideas. I'm like kind of getting bored of makeup tutorials. I like them, but I don't think that you guys like them from just like the numbers of my videos. Do you just want to see me like talking about certain topics, or like I definitely want to film some actual updo videos on like mannequins and wigs and stuff. I just have to kind of muster up and do it. Okay, so now I'm switching back to the eyes, and I'm taking Roxy again, and I'm going in the outer part of the lower lash line, and then I'm going to take Satellite and go next to it, right like that. Boom, boom, boom. Bang, bang, bang. This look was inspired by my hair. I wanted to kind of go along with the colors, and then I totally forgot the orange. How does that happen? Like, so then I'm just blending and smudging that out. And then I picked up this mint green pencil from Makeup Forever because I don't have a lime green pencil. And I placed that on the inner part of the lower lash line. And I'm smudging all of them together. Oh, no, I'm not. Well, I did. And then I'm layering the shadows I used above over top. So, blue now. And then for the green, the lime green, the sorbet, the pop, I'm going to place it on top of the pencil, and then I'm actually going to place this in my waterline as well. Look. Oh yeah. It layers on top very nicely. So there we go. Layering that, and then we're going to blend all of it. That's the brush that I had like the pinkish color on. So just blending and smoking everything out. Smoke, smoke, smoke. No, don't smoke. Smoking is bad for you. Smoking your shadow is good. And then the transition shade, so that's Eden. That looks super pretty. Okay, then popped on the House of Lashes Iconic Lashes, and that's the finished eye look. And then I'm going to go to my lips after I show you my eyes. Oh no, I'm going to do blush and highlight. So this is the Pixie Glow palette, and I'm taking the shimmery blush, and I will be using the highlight from that palette as well. So blushing those cheeks. I'm actually really into shimmery blushes right now. I don't know why. I just love like looking super glowy right now. The glow addiction is real. Yeah, so then like I said, I'm using the highlight from that palette as well, and that I'm taking that on a fan brush and highlighting everywhere. I'm also highlighting my nose differently. I'm not doing like a little dot. I'm using like doing the whole bottom, which I kind of like. Then I'm using the Wet n Wild Glow Face Mist thing. It's new. And then for my lips, I'm going in with the SUVA Beauty Moisture Matte Liquid Lipstick in Imagination. So just popping that on. These are super comfortable. So nice to wear, and they layer so well because they don't dry down super matte. They just kind of sit there on your lips. It's so nice. And then I'm going in with this Wet n Wild Gloss, part of their new collection. I'll leave the shade name on the screen. And, wait for it. Ooh. These glosses smell so bad. I don't know if I got a bad one or what. So this is the completed look. Oh my god, my mom's coming in the door any second. Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, I wanted to mention with the gloss, it smells really bad. I don't know if it had gone bad or what, but it didn't smell very good. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys!